Welcome. In this course, you're not just getting an automated trading bot. I am going to teach you how to move from manual mechanic trading to a fully automated system that manages your capital with a winning strategy. Let's be real. Many beginner traders waste all their time staring at screens, dealing with emotional stress, and constantly checking the charts. This course is for those of you who don't have the time to trade every single day, or perhaps you just lack the experience and would prefer to rely on a proven automated strategy. I'm going to show you a system that runs on my own live accounts, a system that has already clocked in over $16,000 in net profit. You'll also get to see the results of my public challenge that kicked off in January 2026. I'll explain why this approach is superior and show you exactly why this bot outperforms long-term holding. We will learn how to manage your portfolio of trading pairs so that we keep risk to an absolute minimum. The core power of this bot is its mathematical precision and, most importantly, diversification. Throughout the course, we'll walk through every technical step. First, we'll build the infrastructure, how to deploy your bot on a professional VPS servers so it can run 24/7 without missing a beat. Next, we'll dive deep into connecting your exchange API and setting up Telegram notifications so you get live reports on your phone for every single position opening and closing. The most critical part is risk management. We'll break down the allocation logic, how to distribute your capital across various trading pairs, how to handle minimum lot requirements for BTC and ETH, and how to leverage the compounding principle to grow your initial capital progressively over time. I'll show you exactly how a small balance transforms into significant capital as the bot constantly reinvests your profits back into the market. By the end of this course, you will have the source code, the Linux version, the desktop version, and a fully functional trading infrastructure designed to protect you from unnecessary risk and free up your time for other things. If you are ready, let's get started.